lawnmower here. It's running, it's quite loud, and just wondering how we can fix this lawnmower. It's not running very fast, and giving out black smoke, a lot of black smoke, and it doesn't feel like it's running. It's very weak. So if you try to do it very fast, basically the lawnmower will stop. I just replaced the spark plug, but yeah, I managed to get the lawnmower working, but yeah, something's still not working right. So yeah, an idea, please leave in the comment section. Thank you.